Hello everyone and welcome to Khan's Tech Lab. In this session, we will work on MySQL series. As you know, in the last series, have worked on auto increment. So in this session, we will learn a few things about not null constraint. As you remember in the previous session, we had created a table called customers and we had made ID as auto increment. And in other four columns, we have added. So and also we have inserted a few records and here is the data of those records and the table, customers table. Now what if I want to insert a record without giving any of the other columns apart from the ID? ID is anyway auto incremented. Suppose I don't want to give the name. Is it possible? For example, I am removing the data for, let me create one more insert statement. So here, for, for example, I don't want to give the name of the for that record. So I am removing the data for name and I am trying to insert this. Will it succeed? The answer is yes. Let us try that. Let me try to run the select statement. As you can see, the sixth record got automatically created with name as null. So we have not provided the name. Similarly, what if I don't want to give the age? For example, I will keep the name as G and but I will remove the age. Also, I will remove it from the name of the columns. So now let me try to run it. If you can see the output here, insert statement got completed. So now let me run the select statement. See here the seventh row with the name G got created without any age. But in real time, we may have to create the tables with a few columns which cannot be null. For example, name of an employee cannot be null. There must be a name of an employee and age can also be not null. Similarly, you can, based on the requirement, you can mandate what and all to be made null and not null. For that, there is a constraint in MySQL or any database called not null that we have to add it along with the name of the column during the creation. So now let me add a not null constraint here to name and age columns. And let me copy this DDL statement and let me go to the MySQL. First, I will drop this customers table or let me create one more table with some other name. For example, customers not null. Just for demonstration purpose. Let me copy this and go to MySQL and create one more table. Now the table create the table got created. Now let me refresh here. I can see customers not null table also and I can see there is no record. So first we will insert the actual records the same way we have inserted in the earlier table. So I'll just run these insert statements. All the records got inserted. Actually, I had to give customers not null here. The table name. So now let me run the insert command again. Now, let me run the select statement. As you can see, I have inserted 5 records. Now, suppose I don't want to add the name in the next record. I don't want to include the name. Is it possible? Let us check. So, let me copy this last record and use this. And here I will remove age from the list of the columns and also from the values. So, is it possible to run this? Let me try to run it. As you can see, the insert statement got failed. So, as you can see, the error code is 1364 and the field CNAME does not have a default value. Either there must be any default value we have to assign or we have to provide the actual value of that column. Same way we can try with the age also. If I can just remove the age column and also the age data and run this insert statement, it should also fail. As you can see, this also got failed. What if I just keep the name and age and remove the address? So is it possible that I can remove the address? Then the answer is yes, it is possible. I'll just give F as the name and 25 age, and I have removed the age, sorry, address. Now I am running this. As you can see, I have not applied the not null constraint on the address, so it got succeeded. Now let me try to run this select statement. As you can see, the last row, which is yeah, with CNAME F, customer name F, and age 25. Without any address also, I can able to insert. Whereas I cannot able to insert without name and age, as we have included the not null constraint in the DDL of the table. So this is how we can use the not null constraint. This is very much required for so many cases across the real-time applications. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and please stay tuned for the upcoming sessions. Thank you.